Is the future of finance in the metaverse? We'll find out on this week's market analysis. My name is Rumed Dominic and welcome. The metaverse has captured the attention of CEOs, artists, and technology titans around the globe. They are asking, is this just another experience layer of the internet? Or is this a scam to be able to allow a lot of people buy more crypto and more NFTs? The questions are endless, and just like the internet became a global vehicle for commerce, that's how the metaverse needs infrastructure for payment, for identity, for marketplaces, and credit exchange. And some of the best infrastructure that's available for the metaverse NFT marketplace are Blur.io. And as we know, Blur.io is actually an NFT marketplace aggregator that allows users to access multiple NFT marketplaces from a single platform by unifying the all interface together. They recently released their version 2.0, and last year we saw that they did an airdrop, and that airdrop that they did actually made Blur to come to the number one marketplace just behind OpenSea at a particular point in time, because they saw that the volume started rising. And as a marketplace, you can see how easy and unique their interface is. Now you can see different NFTs from Sun Origins, Cyberpunk, and all these different top blue chip NFTs selling around. The NFTs are also available on OpenSea.io, and OpenSea.io has been there since 2017, and this particular platform actually may need to launch a token to see that they regain their top spot in the NFT marketplace. One of the best NFT marketplace available for especially when it relates to financial infrastructure for NFTs is Offshore.xyz. And Offshore.xyz, as you can see, you are able to, even as a developer, take their API and attach it to whatever you are doing and be able to develop this same business use case on your own platform. And if you notice, I was actually telling a couple of you when you guys were buying different coins in anticipation for the next altcoin cycle that after the last bull market, there was a market analysis I did, and I showed you a few of the top altcoins and compared their 2017 highs to their 2021 lows. And some of these altcoins surprisingly did not make higher highs in their next bull market. Then I said that it is actually unlikely for those altcoins, and they will never be able to break their previous all-time highs. And we saw that one of the reasons why this happens is because there's something called the underwater thesis, and this is where a significant number of investors who bought a coin at a higher value, and the price has gone down to a level that they did not actually originally buy it at. So sometimes when these investors are underwater, they tend to be more reluctant to sell their positions at a loss. They will be hoping for the price to recover so that they can at least break even. When this behavior persists in the market, it creates a psychological barrier that prevents the asset price from actually reaching new all-time highs. And as investors tend to sell once the price starts going up and breaks even, we actually see a situation in the market where it actually sees that it potentially stores the reversal of that upward momentum, and that prevalence of the underwater position can actually affect the market sentiment and suppress the price. This is why you should not just assume that all the top altcoins that you used to trade in 2021 during the bull market, or before that time, maybe 2017 during that bull market, will just rise. As you know, men lie, women lie, but the charts don't lie. So let's get into the charts and see what BTC is doing. Today on this chart analysis, we see this unique chart of Bitcoin from 2013. I have from 2013 up to 2023, which is the current day. And if you zoom this closely, you will see that I'm using a particular indicator called the Fibonacci moving average indicator. And the Fibonacci moving average indicator has different compartments: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These different compartments, you can see there are three predominant colors here: the green compartment, the blue compartment, and the red compartment. And we see that over time in history, Bitcoin has gone from the blue compartment and lead up to the red compartment, then it will rally down back maybe in the market retracement, which happened in 2015. And we saw that in 2015, when this happened, it rallied from this blue side of the ribbon to the top side of this ribbon, and that was the market high, and where the market peaked in 2017. We currently have these data points actually defining the next price action of Bitcoin in the market, because when you take data point 1, which is in 2015, take this data point 2 that you have here at 2018, when the market was at its lowest point, and you saw that from this green region it rallied to this blue region, did a correction, rallied up to the red region before it did this correction that we currently have here at this 2022, when we saw the market actually experience a bear market. And because we have experienced that bear market, we are seeing a retracement that is happening with Bitcoin, and is trying to break through this region again. So we hopefully will see that, because of the data points that we have, 1, 2, 3, anytime Bitcoin has been in this green compartment, Bitcoin has always rallied up. And currently Bitcoin is at this green compartment. It happened in 2015, happened in 2018, and currently in 2023 Bitcoin is still at this green compartment and is about to rally up to the red compartment. At this point, we can call this point the accumulation phase of Bitcoin. We want to also look at the facts in the chart and see what is happening currently with Ethereum. With Ethereum, what we have on our screen is the naked chart of Ethereum, but we just list it with the Fibonacci retracement tool. And you know, with the Fibonacci retracement tool, what you want to do is that you want to draw your Fibonacci tool from the lowest point of the chart to the highest point of the chart, and look at it from a point of interest perspective and say, okay, at the point of interest perspective, which is 0.168, we can see that it has actually broken through that part of the structure and had a bounce. You can see this bounce one came here to have a support here, bounce to be able to break that last resistance to form this all-time high. Currently we have retraced to be able to sit at the 0.16 level, and we are looking at a situation where when the market momentum starts coming back up in the bull market, and the halving happens in the next 12 to 18 months in Bitcoin as well, we can see Ethereum rallying up to further highs to be able to come break this former region of price action that it was before now. And if you're interested in doing things like this by yourself, it is good luck for you, because there's a new course alert that is available on Verm.co, and we have a free affiliate program that can actually make you earn a lot of money. So do you want to earn like $2,000 in a snap? All you need to do is bring about 100 students on Verm.co, which is the best platform for learning and sharing blockchain skills and Web3 knowledge. So as an affiliate, you get $20 each. $20 for each student that you're on board, depends on the cost. And as you onboard these students into Verm.co, when you multiply that $20 times 100, that was just actually about $2,000 in commission. Know that this offer will not last for a very long time, so you need to act fast and start working on it today and instantly. You won't like to miss a chance to earn money while helping others to learn. As you sell financial literacy products, you should actually become an affiliate now and start your journey to success on Verm.co. So you can just go and take the NFT free courses, just like we spoke about the fact that the Metaverse is actually gaining a lot of momentum, and also come take some of these premium courses here. Like you can take my course here, the Crypto Finance and DeFi Masterclass. You want to become a blockchain developer that earns nothing less than $10,000, $20,000 from building projects on the blockchain, Ethereum virtual machine. You can actually have all that on Verm.co. Now, as you know, we must optimize you on every week market analysis with artificial intelligence, and we're giving you the 1,000-hour cheat code. And the 1,000-hour cheat code that we're giving you is actually aimed to help fast track your investing knowledge and your investment research. So you are going to copy this prompt that I have here and put it on your AI. So the AI we're going to be using today would be ChatGPT. So I'm taking that to my artificial intelligence. So I'm just going to copy that directly into my ChatGPT and paste it. So he said, the prompt says, I don't have 1,000 hours to study. Which topic would you like to study? So let's say I want to study Metaverse. Okay, let's say Metaverse to become an expert, right? So AI is your shortcut, right? And it should give you a list of everything you need to know to get you 80%. It should give you everything you need to know and get you 80% of becoming an expert, especially in this particular niche, and let's see what AI will give to us. Also list key educational resources so that you can actually check it out. Yes, so you can actually check that out. So let's give that a go for AI. So we say this, enter, so that should give us this. Wow, so look at the information that it is giving to us. It's actually going to help you to become a better researcher and learn better. So it says while becoming an absolute expert in any field requires significant time and effort, it can certainly help you to be able to provide you what will actually get you about 80% of the way. So you need to understand the concept of the metaverse, virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, NFTs, and social interaction, collaboration, e-commerce, the legal and ethical use of it. So this would actually give you or put you 10 steps ahead of the game. So once you understand this, you can go further to query it and say it should define or explain this further. So you can just Control C this and say explain EXP and AI, explain Control V and NFTs further. And once you key that in, you can see that it will definitely give you much more resources that will allow you to become an expert in this particular field. As always, we want to make sure that we optimize you daily using the latest technologies of the future. Until next time, my very good friends, this is the market analysis for this week. See you.